Hey, how's it going? So today I'm out here in Southern California, out in Angeles National Forest, hiking a little section on the PCT at around Mill Creek Fire Station. It's a little different from the hiking I've been doing lately out in Guam. You know, out here it's just the desert. It's all dry, burnt, dead trees, but it's pretty cool anyhow. This is Poodle Dog brush. If you're not familiar with it, rub up on it, you got a bad day. Getting a little too hot, gotta lose that flannel. Section a little steep. Trail maintenance going on, cutting back the brush. So the PCT is a long distance trail. It runs from the border of Mexico all the way up to the border of Canada. It goes through California, Oregon, Washington. Overall, I think it's like 2,600 miles. So a lot of people try it every year. It's supposed to be a lot of fun. I might give it a go one day. Who knows? So there are 3 long distance trails here in the US that make up the Triple Crown of hiking, long distance hiking. There's the Pacific Crest Trail, the Continental Divide Trail, and the Appalachian Trail. So Southern California always has a lot of wildfires. That's why pretty much everything you see around here is always burnt. So the 14 freeway's down that way, and then out there is Palmdale, Lancaster. All right, so like I said, I'm out here on the PCT today, out in Angeles Forest. Mill Creek, something like that. Little day hike. Out here with the Scrapbook. He's a through hiker of the PCT, did it in 2016. Completed the CDT in 2017. And this year he's going to do the AT, complete his Triple Crown. Any words of wisdom for any upcoming through hikers?
It's a lot of fun. Some people suck. but you'll have the time of your life. Not every day is great, but there's something good in every day.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. All right, thanks. All right, so that was a fun little day out there on the PCT. If you get a chance, go ahead and get out there, hike a little bit of it, or hike the whole thing. I'm sure you'll have a good time.